Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna Singh. Welcome back to Insightonomics. So let's start the topic for today without a further ado. In this video, we are going to graphically explain the different situations or profit condition under perfect competition using TR and TC approach, where TR is the total revenue and TC is the total cost. Okay, so we are going to explain this using graphs. Okay, so let's start. First, I'll tell you some basics about total revenue curve and total cost curve. Under perfect competition, your total revenue is a upward sloping straight line because prices are constant and given. Okay, so slope total revenue curve is given. So you have a straight line total revenue curve. This is a TR curve. In case of perfect competition, you have this straight line upward sloping total revenue curve. But you have this inverted S-shaped profit curve. Okay. Let me use different color. But your this type of total cost curve. Okay, दिस इज योर टोटल कॉस्ट कर्व. एकदम बहुत अच्छे से ऐसे बना नहीं है ये, बट इस एस शेप रहता है इस तरीके से. ओके, दिस इज द टोटल कॉस्ट कर्व अंडर परफेक्ट कंपटीशन एंड बेस्ड ऑन देयर टेंडेंसी पॉइंट वी विल डिसाइड द प्रॉफिट कंडीशन फॉर perfectly competitive firm. So you have TR and TC. Here you have level of production. Okay, so let's explore the situations, different situations. First, we have supernormal profit. So the condition based on TRTC approach, profit is equals to total revenue minus total cost. And in this scenario, the condition for supernormal profit is that total revenue must be greater than total cost. Okay. And as we know, total cost is the sum of total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Okay. And अगर आपको total variable cost यहाँ डिफाइन करना है तो आप ऐसे डिफाइन कर सकते हो. This is the total fixed cost. Okay. ये सारी चीजें मैं एक ही ग्राफ में बता दे रही हूँ. ओके, आप ऐसा मत सोचना ये इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है तो ये यहाँ पे कुछ मीनिंग है. अभी इसका कुछ मीनिंग नहीं है. ओके, let's remove this total revenue curve. Okay, now we are making cost curve for total cost and total variable cost, total fixed cost. This black line is the total fixed cost because this is independent of level of output produce. आप जब अभी आपका Q is equal to 0 है तब भी आपको इतना कॉस्ट तो पे करना ही करना है. ये ये भी कुछ इस तरीके से कर्व बनता है बट यहाँ नहीं बन पा रहा है. I'll try to make it. So your total variable cost will look like this. This is your total fixed cost. Okay, the difference between TC and TVC is your total fixed cost. Okay, this difference, your TFC. So your total cost curve origin से start नहीं होता है, total variable cost origin से start होता है. That means when your Q is equal to 0, your total variable cost is equals to 0. Okay, total variable cost is equals to 0. But when your Q is equals to 0. Okay, so when your Q is equal to 0, total cost is equals to this much, total fixed cost, and your total variable cost is 0. Okay, तो आपको इस तरीके से कर्व्स मिलते हैं. And now you can like on a different diagram I'll make the total revenue curve. Total revenue will remain same like this. This is the total revenue curve. Okay, now So as we know, for condition for supernormal profit is that total revenue must be greater than total cost at the point of equilibrium. Okay. So let's draw the graph. This is the total revenue curve. This is the total cost curve. Okay. So based on TRTC approach, आपको इक्विलिब्रियम कहाँ पे आएगा? उस पॉइंट पे जहाँ पे slope of marginal cost curve, sorry, slope of total cost curve, which is marginal cost, must be equals to slope of total revenue curve. And slope of total revenue curve क्या होता है? Marginal revenue. Okay. दोनों के slope जो है parallel रहेंगे. If we draw a tangent over here, at this point, this is the at this point this is marginal cost. Okay. So जहाँ slope equal रहेंगे उस point पे आपका equilibrium decide होगा. Okay. So at this point, you will have, let's say, this much of output. A firm will produce this Q star level of output. Okay. So for producing Q star level of output, अब फर्म का प्रॉफिट चेक करना है कि फर्म को कितना प्रॉफिट हो. So you can draw graph. At this point, your total revenue is this much and total cost is this much. Okay. This is your total revenue. This is your total cost. So you can say that the total cost and this difference is the profit. This difference represents the profit. So this rectangle represents the profit and this is a supernormal profit. सुपरनॉर्मल क्यों है? क्योंकि जो सेलर है वो जितनी भी उसकी कॉस्ट कि लेबर को पे करना है, कैपिटल को पे करना है, जो एंटरप्रेन्योर है जितने भी सर्विसेज दी उसको देना है, वो सारी सैलरीज पे जितना उसको करना होता है उतना देने के बाद वो अपनी टोटल कॉस्ट डिसाइड करता है. तो उसको उतनी कॉस्ट रिकवर हो रही है प्लस उसको इतना एक्स्ट्रा रिकवर हो रहा है. टोटल कॉस्ट भी रिकवर हो रही है प्लस इतना एक्स्ट्रा रिकवर हो रहा है. तो ये जो एक्स्ट्रा रिकवर हुआ है ये है सुपर, ओके, super normal profit, a profit more than the normal profit. So based on TRTC approach, this is the scenario for super normal profit, where your TR is greater than TC. Okay. Now the second scenario, normal profit. Okay. The scenario for normal profit is that total revenue is equals to total cost. Okay. कि जो भी सेलर है, एंटरप्रेन्योर है, उसको एक्स्ट्रा गेन नहीं हो रहा है, जितनी सर्विसेज दे उसको उतना ही गेन हो रहा है. So this is the scenario for total revenue is equal to total cost and profit is equal to 0. Okay, graphically क्या लिखते हैं इसको? So this is your total revenue curve. This is the okay. This is the total revenue curve. Total cost, total revenue, and this point of equilibrium between total revenue and total cost determine the equilibrium quantity. To determine the equilibrium quantity. Okay, and at this point, your total revenue is equals to total cost. Okay, consider for having normal profit. Okay, producing Q star level of output based on TITC approach. Now we'll look at third situation. Third situation. Third condition. So for shutdown condition, there are two scenarios. First, average revenue greater than average. Total revenue is greater than total variable cost, but lesser than total cost. ओके, दैट मीन्स कि जो फर्म है वो उसकी जो टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट है उसका कुछ पार्ट रिकवर कर रही है, पूरा नहीं रिकवर कर पा रही है, बस कुछ पार्ट रिकवर कर रही है. सेकेंड सिचुएशन, टोटल इज ग्रेटर देन टोटल रेवेन्यू, टोटल रेवेन्यू इज इक्वल्स टू टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट. कि जहाँ पे जो फर्म है उसको लॉस उसका कितना हो रहा है, जितना उसकी टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट है, इसकी वेरिएबल कॉस्ट ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट जो है रिकवर हो रही है. ओके, now we'll explain it using graph. I'll explain all these two scenarios in one graph only. This is total revenue curve. This is total cost. This is TVC, total variable cost. This is the total revenue curve. So जहाँ पे total revenue parallel है total cost के, so this will be the equilibrium condition. This is the point of equilibrium, and at this point, this is the total cost. This is the total revenue. This is the total variable cost. So this is your total revenue, total cost, total variable cost. So total revenue is greater than total variable cost but lesser than total cost. Okay, so firm is having this much of loss but earning this much of cost. Okay, so this is a scenario, first scenario for shutdown situation. कि अगर फर्म प्रोड्यूस करती रहती है तो उसको लॉस कितना होगा, दिस मच ओनली, फर्म इज हैविंग दिस मच लॉस. लेकिन अगर इस सिचुएशन में फर्म प्रोडक्शन बंद कर देती है तो उसका टोटल लॉस कितना रहेगा, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टीसी एंड टीवीसी विच इज इक्वल्स टू टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट. ओके, तो अभी फर्म जो है कुछ पार्ट जो है रिकवर कर रही है, दिस मच पार्ट ऑफ टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट फर्म इज रिकवरिंग एंड दिस इज द लॉस. बट अगर फर्म प्रोडक्शन बंद कर देगी तो उसको टोटल लॉस इक्वल हो जाएगा, लॉस इक्वल्स टू टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट. दिस इज फर्स्ट सिनेरियो जहाँ पे टोटल रेवेन्यू इज ग्रेटर देन टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट. सेकेंड सिनेरियो देखते हैं इसी का. This is the total variable cost, total cost, this is the total revenue curve, TR, TVC, total cost. So at the intersection, this point, at this point, both the curves are parallel. So this is the point of equilibrium. This is the Q star. Okay. Now at this point, this is the TC, total cost. Okay. Okay, just wait. Okay, this is your Q star. And at this point, this is your TC, and this is your TC, which is equals to TR. So at this point, total revenue is equals to total variable cost, and this is your total cost. So the difference between total revenue and total variable cost, which is equals to total fixed cost, and this is the condition for loss or shutdown condition. This is the loss, total loss that is firm is having, and this is the scenario for shutdown. ओके अगर फर्म शट डाउन करती है तो उसको लॉस होगा टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट के इक्वल. ओके अगर प्रोड्यूस करती रहती है तो अगर प्रोड्यूस करती रहेगी तब भी उसको लॉस हो रहा है टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट. तो अब फर्म के ऊपर है कि फर्म प्रोडक्शन बंद करेगी या प्रोडक्शन चालू रखेगी. ओके बट दीज आर द शट डाउन सिनेरियोज. नाउ फोर्थ सिचुएशन ऑफ लॉस. Loss means the total revenue, you can say loss was situation that total cost is greater than total revenue, or in this scenario a firm is not at all recovering variable cost. So you can say that total revenue is lesser than total variable cost, which is lesser than total cost. This is the scenario for loss. We'll use this graph. Total variable cost, total cost, this is the TR, TBC, TC. Let's say this is the point of equilibrium. This is the point of equilibrium. At this point, this is your total cost, total variable cost, total revenue. Okay, total revenue, total variable cost, total cost. Difference between total cost and total variable cost is equals to total fixed cost. And in this scenario, firm को total fixed cost जितना लॉस नहीं हो रहा उससे ज्यादा लॉस हो रहा है. फर्म total variable cost को भी रिकवर नहीं कर पा रही है. So this is an situation for complete loss, and firm will stop the production at this point. Okay, firm will stop the production at this situation. This is the scenario for loss. Okay, so entire loss is equals to this much. So this is it. We are done with this video. I hope आप लोगों को क्लियर हुआ होगा ये ग्राफिकल डिपिक्शंस. अगर आपको ये कर्व्स कैसे आ रहे हैं ये इन सब में कोई इशू है तो इसके लिए आप कोई भी स्टैंडर्ड बुक रेफर कर सकते हो कि ये कर्व किस तरीके से आता है. दीज आर द कर्व फॉर क्यूबिक फंक्शंस. ओके इस तरीके से टोटल कॉस्ट फंक्शंस होते हैं, लाइक ए प्लस बी क्यू स्क्वायर प्लस सॉरी सी क्यू स्क्वायर प्लस डी क्यू. इस तरीके से फंक्शंस रहते हैं. तो तब भी आपके पास इस क्यूबिक फंक्शन होते हैं, cubic function, then you will get this type of cost curve. This is a for total cost curve you have a cubic function, and that's why you will get this type of S-shaped curve. Okay, so we are done with this video. Thank you so much for watching our content. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you had any queries and observations, please do let us know on our comment section. And you can also join us on our Telegram channel, where we'll upload all the links of the YouTube videos and also provide the PDFs and important book notes with respect to economics. Thank you.